And you think linking this to the minister makes any kind of sense? You have no proof. No tangible proof.
Tangible? Tangible proof? Oh yes! You only need that if you go into court. Let me let you into a little secret. It's not go to court.
You realize what you do? You realize that everything where you worked so hard for, you piss it down the drain?
It is my piss and my drain. Who no one get caught, come out of the way. Look, in the meantime, you want to make a little money? Take out life insurance for the minutes.
I'm not taking on with that. But you have any idea who else would want to take out 2 of our best snipers?
Hello? Yeah. No, trust me, I remember. Sending you a ticket in less than 2 days. Come on. See you there.
Who that?
You don't know her. Let's say I'm bringing in some talent.
Oh, I didn't know we're running a talent agency. Listen to me, Pops. You're making a big mistake.
Oh, you can say that. You know what I'm doing? And if I'm making a mistake, it's mine to make. I tell you what you do. You just sit back and watch the ride.
I'm not going to allow that.
You not going to allow that? Interesting.
Let me ask you something. Shepherd came to see you?
Shepherd? Oh, you mean what do you call it? Spiritual advisor? Yeah, he came to see me. With a song and dance. Mumbo jumbo, speaking in parables. Walking up and down on me, messing up my electronic gate. But let's not deal with that. So what if he came to see me?
I know you don't believe in what you can't see. But if I were like you, I would take heed.
Let me get something straight. Take heed? I threaten you or not threaten me? Let me tell you something. I don't believe in this L.A. Lewis dance and thing. I deal with facts.
But you have no facts. You want to go after an elected official. Based on what? A feeling?
Me never vote for him.
And do you say you don't believe in this spiritual thing?
You know this thing I said, too late shall be the cry? The wheels are already in motion. I suggest you come out of the way of the train. Let me explain something. An officer's first duty is to the welfare of his men. Now I must stand up and turn my back on the fact that somebody decided it was a good idea to take out 2 of my snipers. And what do we do? Go to church and ask for divine intervention? Well, let me tell you something. It's not going so. So, get your black dress, your black scarf, because something will happen. Whether you like it or not, the minister has got to go.
No, I know. You have to go.
And what you just said? You really make that come out it? Et you brute.
It's very rare that I disagree with you. But Pops, let me tell you the things that I do disagree with. The sudden emerge of this Black Pearl girl, lady, whoever she is. The going after the minister. Absolutely no. You wanting Whisper to trail Carlton and to report to you, not me. Have you ever thought about the fact that it could be Carlton that took out the 2 snipers?
Carlton. Him not have the experience or the expertise to get that done. And if my 2 snipers allow Carlton to take them out, I failed miserably.
You are aware that Celine is still alive, right? And she's a super agent. She has all information and knowledge of our snipers, our top snipers. And she's still associated with Carlton. Listen, this is what you have been training me for, and you taught me well.